Good morning from Chalk Farm. We're about to go and catch a Northern Line train, and as I'm going to be heading up to Colindale, because Colindale Station is actually going a massive overhaul. So I'm going to go on the Northern Line to Colindale, and I'm going to be discussing what the heck is going on. Welcome to Colindale Station, which is currently at the moment is getting an upgrade right now. I'm going to be looking for a roundel. Not that roundel behind me, but the one with the special sticker. What's that? What's that? What's that? Here's the special sticker that I'm actually talking about. One of Colindale Tube Station is complete because the platforms have been renovated. It was closed until December 2024. It was closed from June to December to allow the platforms to be renovated. But if I go outside, okay, very simple. Original station building is there. But if I continue to keep on walking down here, you can see this, the new station entrance to Colindale Tube Station. That Colindale has finally been put back on the tube map, as well as Town as well, since they both reopened at different times. Aside from that, here's quick shots of the old station at Colindale, because after the new entrance is complete, this will be gone. Be a better way to do than just hang out in the ticket hall at Colindale Tube Station. So Colindale has now introduced a one-way system to exit and get inside of the station. But Colindale on the tube map has a little ticky thing. So when the new station entrance is completed, it would have step-free access. Which reminds me, funded by Barnet Council, Colindale Station on the Northern Line is undergoing a massive overhaul. The first phase of the upgrade was that the station was closed for 6 months until December 2024 from June to allow the platforms to have a little bit of a renovation. The final phase is due to finish in autumn of this year with the completion of the new entrance. What's interesting about this is that this is what the new station entrance to look like when it's being completed in autumn, and the mock-up does exactly match the real-life image. The second phase is for the new station entrance to be completed by autumn 2025, confitted with a new spacious ticket hall, lift for step-free access, a new building which might make Colindale more busy, an accessible toilet, more cycle parking, a station retail space, and even a drainage system for wild plants. That's it. But what about the history of Colindale Tube Station? Let me tell you. Colindale opened in 1924. The original station building was designed by Stanley Heaps, who designed all of the stations on the extension up to Edgware. The name Colindale came from a pen that was called Colindale and was used to submit an article between 1927 and 1928. Unfortunately, passenger numbers for this station have decreased, but with the new building development around the area, it might make Colindale more busy. Anyways, back to Sean at the station. Well, this is it. It's going to be finishing, the new entrance is going to be finishing in autumn 2025. Probably around September or November. So hopefully Colindale will be much more nicer. It's such a shame that the original Stanley Heap station is going to get demolished. But oh well. But a person once said, all things must come to an end. The fun is over. But let's get on this train right here. Farewell, Colindale. Farewell. Alright, get on the train. Right, on the train. Bye, Colindale. So that's it, I am on my way back into town. So Colindale Station is going to be having a new entrance in autumn 2025. Hopefully around September or November. So hopefully that'll be very fun to do. Thanks for watching, press subscribe, and I'll see you. in the next video.